Hello student, in this video we are going to see example based on superposition theorem. So find the value of current flowing through 4 ohm resistor. So we have to find current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor by a superposition theorem. So here first we have to identify how many sources are acting in this circuit. So here 40 volt and 8 ampere are acting in this circuit. So there are how many sources in this circuit? There are two sources present in this circuit. One is 40 volt and another one is 8 ampere. Now first we have to apply 40 volt source in this circuit and 8 ampere is represented by their internal resistance. So first, when 40 volt source acting alone and 8 ampere which is current source is open circuited. So what will be the circuit diagram? So this is a circuit diagram when 40 volt is acting alone in this circuit and 8 ampere is open circuited. Now we have to find current through this 4 ohm resistor. So we will find current through this 4 ohm resistor by a current division rule. So first we have to find what is the total current in this circuit, that is I. So we will find by series parallel reduction technique. So this 4 ohms and this 3 ohms are connected in series. So we will simplify this circuit as now simplification of this 4 and 3 is, so they are connected in series, so it is 7 ohms. Now 7 and 5 is connected in parallel, so we will simplify this circuit as and this is the 5 parallel with 7 equal to 2.92 ohms. Now total current in this circuit I is, by Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. So V is 40 and R is 12 plus 2.92. So it is equal to a 2.68 ampere. So total current in this circuit is 2.68 ampere. Now by current division rule, consider the current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor is I dash. So what is a I dash by current division rule? So total current is 2.68 ampere into opposite resistor is 5 ohms and so total resistance in the current division is 5 plus 4 plus 3. So what is the current I dash? It is 1.12 ampere and direction of the current is from left to right. Now when 8 ampere is acting alone and 40 volt is short circuited because it is voltage source and resistance of ideal voltage source is 0. So that's why it is short circuited. So what is the circuit diagram? When 8 ampere is acting alone now we will find current through this 4 ohm resistor by a current division rule. So in this 12 ohms and this 5 ohms are connected in parallel. So by series parallel reduction technique, this is 12 parallel with 5 which is equal to a 3.53 ohms. Now we have to find current through this 4 ohm resistor by this 8 ampere current source. Consider this 4 ohm resistor current is I double dash. So by current division rule, I double dash is equal to total current is 8 into opposite resistance of this 4 ohm branch is this 3 ohms. So this 3 divided by total resistance, that is 4 plus 3.53 plus 3, which is equal to 2.28 ampere, and direction of the current is from right to left. So now by superposition theorem, current I, which is the total current flowing through this 4 ohm resistor, is I dash, which is by 40 volt, plus I double dash, which is by 8 ampere. So both this I dash and this I double dash are opposite. So we will subtract lower current from the higher current. So consider I dash is minus 1.12 ampere and I double dash is plus 2.28 ampere. So total current flowing through 4 ohm resistor is 1.16 ampere, and direction of the current is from right to left. So it is our current 4 ohm resistor by a superposition theorem. Thank you.